Now that you know what to consider when choosing a car seat, I want to offer a few words of caution. In this video, I'll be talking about car seat accessories and hand-me-down car seats, both of which should send up red flags for parents-to-be. In addition to choosing a car seat itself, you might be looking at the many car seat accessories available on the market. Be wary of adding anything in or around your baby's car seat that was not included with it. Some car seats do include positioners for around the hips or head, or cushioned covers for the straps at the shoulders or crotch. Check the manual for your car seat for the guidelines on when these items should be used, as there are usually rules around the size or the age of the baby. Third-party accessories are typically not safe to use with the car seat since they have not been included in crash testing. This includes accessories like backseat mirrors, as these can become projectiles or even shatter in a crash if they have not been tested for those circumstances. Don't use any positioners or padding behind your baby or around their head, and don't dress babies in bulky clothing or coats in the car seat, as this can interfere with how the car seat fits and is adjusted. There have been tragic incidents of babies becoming unrestrained in a crash due to bulky padding around straps or behind them. We will go over how to safely adjust your car seat and how to know that your baby is properly positioned in a later video. Lastly, just as we discussed hand-me-down cribs in our first module for sleep spaces, I want to briefly discuss used or secondhand car seats. Used car seats are the #1 safety purchase to be wary about, even more so than a used crib. Unless you know the previous owner of the car seat well and trust that you know the full history of the seat, including no accidents, crashes, or fender benders, don't take a used car seat. Once a car seat has been in an accident, the integrity of the seat can be compromised, and it may not be effective protection in a future crash. You also want to check expiration dates, like I just mentioned, and expired seats should be disposed of so no one uses them. The materials used to make the seat will break down over time, causing it to be less protective in the event of a crash. Check for any recalls involving used or new seats, and register your car seat so you can be alerted of any safety issues. To recap, be wary of car seat safety red flags like third-party accessories and used seats with unknown history. The best seat for you is the one you can install correctly and use correctly every time. You can do this.